there any interesting, inspiring stories coming out of this experience that you have observed? Reason I ask is I know you like carrying your phone and take very good pictures and deliver those stories on your talks. So you know, I'm always looking out for stories from Mr. Anshu.
No, so I think this time the story of inspiration is really the common people of this world.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's what I've been telling people, that, you know, when you go and support some people or stand with people who are affected by a flood or maybe an earthquake, you understand the risk, right? You know that these are the zones where I should not go, because if I go there, the flood water will take me away.
Right.
Now, this is one disaster where you don't know where is the risk, because everywhere is the risk.
The invisible enemy.
Absolutely invisible. I mean, you are even worried about the gate which you close, the letter which comes to you, the material which comes to you, the vegetables which are coming or you are buying. Every single thing is such huge risk.
Right.
I'm so motivated, so inspired by large number of people in the development sector, you know, social development sector, NGOs and all, and hundreds and thousands of well-wishers of those people, that how, despite knowing everything, despite knowing that moving out of my home is a huge risk for me, you know, even when the biggest possible political powers and so many other people are sitting, these guys are still, you know, taking risks. They are taking precautions, whatever, fine. But we all know that with the best possible precaution also, it's a risky game.
Right.
And none of us is really really trained in any kind of dealing with any kind of health disaster. And it is a major disaster. So the way I saw millions of people or hundreds and thousands of people coming out and serving food to the people on the road, cooking in their own kitchens and then serving it. People who never used to do cooking are doing even cooking for hundreds of people, using their contacts, emptying their stores to reach out to the people who are on the stores or who are on the roads. I think it's such a huge inspiring thing for us, and such huge belief in the humanity that it still remains there. I mean, some of us can be very busy in buying weapons and all kind of those nonsenses, but there are these hundreds and thousands of people all across the globe uh, who really who love the fellow citizens without worrying about caste, community, religion, and do whatever best they can. So I think that's the most inspiring thing. And also the inspiring thing is that a lot of things which we otherwise neglect. Fine, we do not pay attention to the government hospitals. We do not pay attention to the government schools. We are more worried about private hospitals, giving land to them. We are more worried about private schools, giving land to them and all kind of tax relaxation. We are more worried about religious places. Fine. But see, in this entire disaster, most of the people who really worked, who performed, who did an absolute tremendous job is actually those people, those systems, those institutions which otherwise are neglected by the society, which we never take care of them. You know, you hardly take care of a nurse. You hardly take care of an NGO person. I don't know what all you expect from an NGO person. You hardly take care of a person who sweeps the road outside, or who cleans the drainage system. Now, see, these are the people. You never worry about a truck driver. You never worry about a cart guy who comes and sells vegetables to you. And if you see, every single person who was neglected by the society, or whom we do not value, or every single institution which is neglected by the society and we don't value, because we are so finicky, so worried about privatization of everything. The way all these people and all these institutions have worked, I think that is something which certainly makes me a bit angry also for the past, but very hopeful for the future, that maybe now we start valuing these people and institution much more, because they've really proved that what can they do.
Well said. Anshu?